how do we calculate the profitability using these two concepts that we have learned, popularity and profitability, to understand the menu engineering report. Using this, we can use a very simple matrix. Menu items we can plot depending on their performance as regards to popularity and the cash contribution. So there are four combinations that are possible. One is stars, where the menu items are sold high in popularity and high in profitability. So means the items are profitable and is being sold a lot. So definitely it's going to be star, right? There may be some items which are high in profitability, means you want to sell more, but the people are not buying it that much. So they are called plow horses, they are called puzzles, because they are high in popularity, high in contribution, but low on popularity. You can use any other name as you may want. Star, plow horse, puzzle, dog is the standard name which is used for most of the menu engineering reports, but it's up to you, entirely you, who you want, how you want to categorize this. So the names are not really a concern. Then there are other menu group which are low on contribution but high on popularity, which will be considered as cash cows or plow horses. So these are called, these items are selling a lot, but they don't contribute that much, right? Though you have a chance to improve their margin by controlling the cost. And then there are items which are not popular and not profitable either, so they are considered as dog items. Now let's look at the graphical representation of what we have just discussed so that you can understand it easier. So as you can see on this on this y axis, we have plotted popularity in sales. So high popularity, low popularity, right? Then on the x-axis you have contribution margin, low popularity and high popularity. So you will be seeing low popularity, low contribution but high popularity is called plow horses or called cash cows, and high popularity and high performance are called stars. So whatever is lying in this grid will be considered as stars. Whatever is lying in this grid, which is high on the contribution margin but low on the popularity, will be called puzzlers, where the guest is puzzled because it's high profitable for us but it's not popular enough for the guest. And then there are low popularity and low profitability, which are called dogs, or you can call it anything, that. So usually peoples are removing them from the matrix. One thing which is very important to remember in menu engineering is the categories of the menu items can change from one month to another month or one season to another season, depending on who were your customers, what was the customer mix, what was the age group, and what was the different promotions that you were running in that particular month. So you need to be mindful before removing any item or increasing the price of any particular menu price. Don't just go by the report only. The data is provided, but you need to have your own insight